afternoon to everyone. My name is Zinat Mahaldar. Today I was playing the role of pharmacist.
Hello everyone, my name is Naz Makandar. Today I will play the role of patient. We are counseling about the hypertension. Take this prescription and suggest me what is in the prescription.
You are supposed from you are observed any symptoms.
In few days I am suffering from the symptoms like dizziness, nausea, vomiting, confusion and chest pain.
Okay, I understand. You suffer from hypertension.
What is hypertension?
Hypertension is known as persistent increasing systolic blood pressure and consequently increasing diastolic blood pressure. It was generally categories in which hypertension, it is a normal pre-hypertension, so stage 1, stage 2, you suffers from stage 1 hypertension, in which blood pressure are rise to normal blood pressure. Your blood pressure is more than 120. You are hypertension, you suffers from hypertension. It is generally two types of hypertension. Primary hypertension and secondary hypertension. In which primary hypertension, the most of people suffers from primary hypertension. About the population, 95% patients are suffers from primary hypertension. It is caused to, it is not any specific cause, but it is genetic, and stress, due to the stress. And stage 2 means secondary hypertension is causes due to the during the pregnancy, and you have many kidney diseases or cancer diseases like, so you suffer from primary hypertension. You check your blood pressure.
Yeah, sure.
Your blood pressure is higher than normal.
What is causes of this
Hypertension. It is exact cause is not known, but it is a cause due to the genetic factor and alcoholism, smoking, and you have suffers from stress, any problems. So you can observe. You can suffers from hypertension.
Okay, what is the treatment of this hypertension?
The medication is the diuretics, beta blockers. You take must twice a day and consult your physician.
Okay.
Thank you.